What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This is the third part of solving quadratic equation of the form of x squared plus bx plus c by completing the square. So we use perfect square trinomial to solve quadratic equation. This is the third part. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, I recommend you to go back and watch those two parts first, and then you can watch this part. First example, here I have m squared plus 4m equals to negative 21. I want to solve it using making the perfect square. So I try to make both parts perfect square trinomial and perfect square number. So I have 4 divided by 2, that will be 2. 2 squared, that will be 4. So we have m squared plus 4m plus 4, and here we have negative 21 plus 4. So we have m plus 2 to the power of 2, and negative 21 plus 4 is negative 17. So then we have m plus 2 equals to square root of negative 17. And since this one under the radical is negative, there is no answer to this question. Next example. We have x squared minus 18x equals to negative 6. Answer: negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. Negative 9 to the power of 2 is 81. So we have x squared minus 18x plus 81. And here we have 81 minus 6. So that will be x minus 9 to the power of 2. And 81 minus 6 is 75. Therefore, we have x minus 9 square root of 75 plus minus, and the square root of 75 is 25 times 3. So we have square root of 25 is 5, so it will be 5 root 3. So x will be 9 plus 5 root 3 or 9 minus 5 root 3. Next example. X squared minus 16x equals to negative 16. Answer is negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 to the power of 2 is 64. So we added to both sides x squared minus 16x plus 64, and here we have negative 16 plus 64, that will be 48, and here we have x minus 8 to the power of 2. So x minus 8 will be plus minus square root of 48, and 48 is 16 times 3, so root 3 times root 16. Root 16 is 4, so it will be 4 root 3. So x will be 8 plus minus 4 root 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find it interesting and useful, like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any question, please leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll come back with another video shortly. Thank you and have a great day.